How to repair a light bulb at home using a pencil. Hello dear friend, New Tech Pro. Today I have here a broken lamp that has already been repaired. And today I want to repair it using a pencil. First of all, I turn it on the light bulb. I won't turn on until you see. This lamp is broken. Okay, also this lamp is broken and I need to fix too. Testing this bulb light. This lamp not turn it on and broken. Okay. As I said, we must first remove the bubble on the lamp. Usually, you can easily remove the bubble on the bulb with this method, as you can see. That's good. That's good. First of all, we need to identify the burned LED SMD. Usually, you can see this by looking at the SMDs. For example, here. This SMD is probably burning. This SMD, black spot here. But we have to do the test in a more fundamental way and make sure about this. For testing, you need a pair of tweezers or you can use a coated wire. To use tweezers, it is better to insulate it with electrical tape. That's good. As I said, you can use wire or tweezers. I choose tweezers here, which makes testing easier. Oh yes, this LED is broken, but as you can see, half of the LEDs don't light up. So we have another broken LED. Continue test. That's good. I found another LED broken. This LED and this LED. Okay, let's go to repair. Before starting the repair, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We can use this method to temporarily repair the lamp by connecting two SMD pins using a pencil. We separate, remove the LED, broken LED, remove the broken LED, and this LED is broken, remove. I think what is burning here is pencil stick residue inside the carbon. I think. Turn it on and turn it off. That's good. That's good, very good. Try this method for this SMD. Test. Wow. That's good. That's very good. Please note that this type of pencil repair is a temporary repair. To use basic lamp repair videos, please join and subscribe our channel New Tech Pro and see the basic repair video with soldering and SMD replacement. Thank you, my friends. Please subscribe and like. Thank you again. Goodbye.